everybody! If you're wondering what all this stuff is, I'll explain later in the video. But happy spring, and it's almost Easter, I guess. So we have many of Easter themed things. And I'll be showing you how to make a microwaved cupcake. Well, since the oven takes too long, the microwave could do it very fast. So now I'm going to show you all the things you'll be needing for this. First off, we have these marshmallow chocolate eggs. Look at this. Wow. That is delicious. Now, we have some oil and we have some yogurt. Oh, funny story. Basically, when I got yogurt, I just didn't feel like eating it. So instead of wasting it, you could use it for cupcakes. And you could find many of these items in the grocery store. Then, we have these bowls. We have some green icing for like our grass, because it's Easter themed. Chocolate chips. I mean, how is it going to be a cupcake without chocolate chip / muffin? Now, we have this whisker. You already know, we need that. We have this that we're going to put on the icing. Oh, how is this guy here? The Easter gumballs. Oh, I tried one. They're hard. Anyways, I'm giving it to my friend. But anyways, now we have some baking. Is baking powder? Yeah. Like / flour. And we have oil. Yeah, I already said that. So now, since I told you all of the ingredients, let's get started. Okay, but before we get started, just warning you, oil could stain your clothes, so get an apron. Well, my mom made this apron, and as you could see, there's a bow here and a bow here. Now, let's get started. So we are going to need 3 tablespoons of flour, I believe, of cupcake or muffin. Same thing. So let's get 1. Oh, that's a bit too much. 2. And 3. Now, next we're going to put 3 spoons of any yogurt, or you could add anything you like. Don't look at my creepy face. But now, let's add another spoon. There, now you're going to mix it up. Oil. And this is vegetable oil, by the way. Now we get we have to add chocolate chips first. Trust me, I'll add more after I whisk it. It looks like a banana whisk. We're gonna add a little more to get a texture. Now let's mix it. Oh. I was supposed to use this, but anyways, let's get another one. Because we need really big batches so you could share with your friends, right? And I don't know if I need this, but let's whisk it again. There, that's a consistency you want. This is the consistency. Now, you could add as much as you like. So, now, let's pour it into one of the bowls and keep repeating these steps. And I'm just going to add a few more chocolate chips. Oops. Just let me whisk it again. Now that looks good. This is the texture that we want our muffins to be. And if it's not that texture, you should add more flour. Don't forget to add eggs. Oh. Now we're gonna put a spoon and pour it into a bowl. And remember, use microwaved bowls, don't use plastic. Now, delicious. And ask your mama if you could lick the spoon. I don't know if that's a helpful use though, but now let's go put this in the microwave. And it should be looking like this. Do you know what I'm missing? Break time. Delicious. You should always have break time. Now my microwave muffin is ready. Sorry, I meant to break down. Cut. Let's get started. So I'm going to use my icing so then we can add the grass. Sorry if I may laugh because I'm having a laugh breakdown. But let's go put it. Oh, how's this working? Okay. Okay, so we're finished our frosting. Now you can lick the spoon and we're going to put our grass frosting. Like the grass is part of the earth. So in. Ooh, looks so cool. So this is how it should be looking like. And now, the finishing touch. We have our chocolate-covered marshmallow eggs. Now, ooh, delicious. So, we're gonna take one. Oops. Okay, let's stick it in there. Looks delicious. And you could just add a few finishing touches, like, I'm gonna add this around. Oops. I didn't want these. Sorry, I almost fell and yeah, that's my evil laugh, so don't tell anyone. And I'm just having a laugh breakdown. Now, we're going to add this on the side. Okay, sorry. Add another Easter egg. Because I don't think your dentist would be happy of adding too much stuff. But sorry about the last part, but we can add as many ices as we want. Okay. Sorry. Now it's ready. We could eat it. I hope it's not hot. Taste test. Why does that taste like a donut? If you go to Dunkin' Donuts, it tastes like it. Oh my god. I definitely could taste like the vanilla creamy flavor, but and the Easter egg so chocolatey. Yum. This is a 10 out of 10. You guys should go try it out. So good!